Again, so let's talk about sum of arithmetic sequence. So we have here the given arithmetic sequence. So ayan, mula sa first term hanggang 20th term daw. Yun nga lang, ang nakalagay lang dyan is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and so on. Up to 20th term. So hindi natin alaban kung gusto mo, edi tuloy-tuloy mo na lang hanggang 20th term. Tapos i-add mo lahat yun, o di, yun yung sum of arithmetic sequence, or gamitin natin tong formula na to. Okay? So, dito sa formula na to, andito rin naman lahat ng kailangan na natin. N, what is N? Ayan o. Yun o, 20. And then A sub 1, A sub 1. That is the first term. And then common difference, yung D, common difference is 3. So, yung common difference nila ay 3. So, substitute na natin yung mga N, yung A sub 1, tsaka D na yan. So, kapag sinubstitute natin yan, o, ayun o. Okay, sum of terms, so, S sub n eh. So, S sub 20 na yan. That's the 20th term. So, n ulit, 20 over 2 times A sub 1. So, A sub 1 is 2. So, 2 times 2 plus n. So, 20 minus 1 times d, 3. So, kapag sinimplify ninyo, ganyan yung kalalabasan yan. Okay, so 20 over 2 is 10. And then you can multiply 2 times 2, 4 na agad. And then simplify this. 20 minus 1, 19. So, ang susunod na dyan, ito. We will multiply 19 and 3. So, ayun na. Na-multiply na natin yung 19 and 3. So, ang susunod na ipiperform na natin dyan is yung 4 plus 57. So, after you add 4 and 57, the result is 61. And then you multiply it to 10. So, ibig sabihin, the sum of the given arithmetic sequence is 610. So, ibig sabihin nun, kapag in-identify mo mula 2 hanggang 20th term, kunyari, sinulat mo na lang, ang kalalabasan nun, pag inad mo lahat yon is 610. Okay? So, ganun lang yun. Ganun lang siya kadali.